SSRS.
I don't know what you want me to do.
I acknowledge Prince Emma Ayahu, Chief Nyesom, Senator-elect, Senator Adawari Pep. Council of the People's Democratic Party River State, welcome to the commissioning of the newly set up library and archives of the traditional rulers.
The glory of God, I commissioned this library that does some of the archives and history of our people in the state. In the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Section before books.
Come this way. What kind of thing? Let me bring the prof. Get that shot.
Our problem is most kingdoms don't have
Yes,
just now that some of them are
three volumes. 4.
how to call our secretariat. At the design stage, we applied for and got permission. We got permission to provide for a library, archive, and museum. We thought it was necessary to make this ultra and home for showcasing archaeological finds for the present and future generations to see how our people lived in their time many centuries ago. Your Excellency, before we go further, let us place on record your untiring efforts at raising the profile of the traditional rulers of this state. Apart from giving us greater visibility and this ultra-modern secretariat, this institution has finally found its voice, playing its part when necessary for the state to be counted. We are not surprised at your achievements and the imprint you have made on the sands of time since you took office as governor of this state. Your infrastructural delivery has been legendary. We have no doubt that your successor, who is a chief of the old block, so to say, will follow your footsteps.
Let me commend the chairman, because we have had chairman of Traditional Rulers Council before now. We never had a team like this. That's why I always say to people, leadership is key. when you have a leader who knows what he wants to do, what he wants to achieve, it's very easy for him. And it was under him that we built this secretariat. And it is under him again, we're opening a library that will showcase the history of our people, who we are, the culture of our people. Part of the problems we have had is that most of our people don't even know our history. And that is the truth of the matter. Most of our people don't even know our culture. And so when you don't have documentary evidence of this nature, it becomes difficult even for scholars and students who want to carry out research on a particular ethnic groups or the people of Nigerian Delta. I'm sure students of history will find this very interesting.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.